At the time that I am recording this, AIIS has had a huge increase in people joining the company. It is growing so fast that if you have not joined yet, you are missing out on some huge investment opportunities. A few days ago, AIIS relaunched a series of AI bots called the Job Aid Bot, aka the Jabs. They brought them back by popular demand. The first time they launched the Jab bots, they were sold out in less than 2 weeks. So now they are back. Investors are renting them, and new users are taking advantage of this opportunity before they are gone. So if you are new to AIIS, let me explain what makes the Jab series of bots the most popular bots ever that no one in the media is talking about. If you are an investor, you need to join AIIS. If you are unemployed and need extra source of income, you need to be investing in these bots. Okay, so quick story. Years ago, I worked for the New York City local government agency called HRA. HRA stands for Human Resources Administration. And my job was to process welfare applications and recertifications. So my department issued cash assistance, food stamps, and Medicaid. And we used to get clients in droves. Every time I went to work, I asked my coworkers, why are there so many people? Because we were not giving away a lot of money. On the contrary, the welfare system is actually a trap. Only people who live below the federal poverty guidelines are even eligible for public assistance. What a lot of welfare recipients don't realize is you are financially better off finding a minimum wage job, even though the minimum wage has not kept up with inflation over the past 40, 50 years. But I worked for HRA for 9 years, and the only time the office was not crowded and we were able to get people serviced as quickly as possible was during snowstorms. Because we issue emergency benefits, my colleagues and I were required by policy to go to work during snowstorms. So for me, posting these videos and helping people get wealthy and financially free is a much better use of my time. So, what are the features of the Jab Bot series? So if you are new to AIIS and you need an intro to the Jab Bot series, don't worry, I got you covered. All right, so welcome to Jab Aid Bot, your intelligent wealth assistant. Against the backdrop of ever-changing global economic conditions, many people are facing unemployment and financial pressure. To provide more help and support to members while addressing this issue, we are pleased to launch the Job Aid Bot. By renting Job Aid Bot, you will not only receive stable investment returns, but also an additional monthly subsidy, enjoying generous rewards for up to 36 consecutive months. Please note that the server capacity for the Job Aid Bot is limited, so make sure you rent it as early as possible. AIIS will always be your reliable partner. What are the key features of the Jab Aid Bot series? All right. Stable returns. Job Aid Bot uses advanced algorithms and market analysis technologies to ensure you get consistent and reliable investment returns, helping your wealth grow. Additional subsidy. Each month you will receive an extra subsidy as a return on your investment. This means that in addition to the original returns, you will also enjoy monthly financial support, making your life more comfortable. All right, 36 consecutive months of subsidies. That's 3 years. This subsidy will last for 36 months. It will help you achieve various financial goals, and you can enjoy it with peace of mind regardless of market fluctuations. Limited servers. Please note that the server capacity for the Job Aid bot is limited. Ensure you rent it as early as possible to smoothly enjoy this unique investment opportunity. Collection time. When you activate the Jab robot, please contact the assistant in time to collect your subsidy to ensure you can get the additional financial support on schedule. So the monthly subsidy is issued between the first of the month and the 5th of the month. So you usually have to contact your team leader, ask them for the monthly subsidy. They put in an application and it hits the platform under your account in a matter of minutes. Next, rental limit. Each member is limited to renting only once, ensuring that every user can fairly enjoy the returns and subsidies brought by Job Aid Bot. Choosing Job Aid Bot is not just an investment, but also laying the foundation for future financial freedom. That's what I love to hear. Rent Job Aid Bot now, start your smart investment journey, and enjoy the double rewards of stable returns and monthly subsidies. Remember that the number of places is limited, so hurry. All right, so let me share with you all the Jab Bot series, and there are 8 robots in all. So the first bot is the Job Aid Bot 1, Jab 1. Okay, and to rent the Job Aid Bot, the rental fee is $200. You rent it for 15 days. Your income is 3% return on your investment. So that means your daily income is $6. Total revenue after the 15 days is $90. Monthly subsidy is $50 for 3 years, which is a total of $1,800. All right. Next, we have Jab 2. And the cost to rent this Jab robot is $800. You rent it for 18 days. Income is 2.3% on your investment. Daily income is $18.40. Total revenue is $331. And the monthly subsidy is $80 per month for 3 years, which is a total of $2,880. The next robot in the series is Jab 3. To rent the Jab 3 costs $1,600, $1,600, and you rent it for 28 days. Income is 2.4% on your investment. That totals to $38.40 per day. Total revenue is $1,075 after the 28 days. Monthly subsidy is $130, which is a total of $4,680 after 36 months. Next, we have Jab 4. Rental fee is $2,500. You rent that bot for 40 days. Income is 2.6% on your investment. That's $65 per day in income. After 40 days, the total revenue is $2,600. Monthly subsidy is $200, which is a total of, after 3 years, $7,200. So here's the thing. This is a very interesting bot because your investment is 2,500. And so after 40 days, you basically more than double your investment, which is pretty cool. So you have to ask yourself, how many investment tools you know of in which you can double your investment after 40 days? This goes back to one of the videos that I did prior to today about compound interest. This is a very excellent example of what compound interest looks like. Imagine doubling your investment in 40 days. And we're not even talking about the monthly subsidy. That's separate. But after you invest in your bot, the subsidy starts the following month. So let's say, for instance, you decide to buy a jab bot this month. Well, the subsidies start kicking in October, okay? And because you get your subsidy within the first 5 days of the month, you should be expecting your monthly subsidy to start October 1st and the latest October 5th. So these bots are extremely lucrative, and the investment is more than worth it. Moving on, the next bot is Jab 5, and the rental fee is $3,000. You rent the bot for 48 days. Your income is 2.45%. What does that look like in terms of dollars? Daily income is $73.50. Total revenue after 48 days is $3,528. Monthly subsidy is $160. After 3 years, the total subsidy amount is $5,760. And just a reminder, these bots can only be leased once. Next, you have Jab 6. And your investment, the rental fee is $4,800. You rent the bot for 60 days. Total income is 2.5%. That's the return on your investment. Daily income is $120. Total revenue, $7,200 after 60 days. Monthly subsidy amount is $300. Total subsidy after 36 months, $10,800. Next is Jab 7. And the rental fee is $9,000. You rent the bot for 75 days. Income is 2.55%. Daily income, $229.50. Total revenue after 75 days is a whopping $17,212.50. Monthly subsidy amount is $500. After 36 months, that comes up to $18,000. And last but not least, we have the Jab 8 bot. The rental fee is $15,000. You rent the bot for 85 days. Income is 2.6% on your investment. Daily income is $390. Total revenue after 85 days is $33,150. Monthly subsidy amount is $1,300. After 36 months, that is a total of $46,800. And again, this product can only be leased once. So that is the Jab series of the new AI bots offered by AIIS. And so only AIIS members can take advantage of these investments. So if you have not joined AIIS, this month of September is the best time to join. Okay, we're still looking for people to join AIIS and get the word out that this is a company that is going to take us into the future of AI trading. So that's all for today, my friends, and I will see you next time with more information about AI trading bots, AIIS, and anything related to artificial intelligence. Take care.